Hello, wonderful viewers. Welcome to Healthism. Today, we're about to embark on an exciting and informative journey into the fascinating world of vitamin C. We're not just exploring the familiar sources, we're diving deep into the world of surprising and potent vitamin C-rich foods that can truly supercharge your immune system. Get ready for an adventure of discovery and health. The importance of vitamin C. Imagine vitamin C as the unsung hero working tirelessly behind the scenes to fortify your immune system. It's not just about preventing scurvy, it's about giving your body the ultimate defense mechanism against infections. Now, let's delve into the mysteries of the top sources of this superhero vitamin. 1. The timeless classic, oranges. Now, let's pay homage to the timeless classic, the orange. Beyond its refreshing taste, oranges boast a rich nutritional profile that makes them a staple in supporting your immune system. Let's dive into the nutritional content and immune-boosting benefits of this citrus gem. Nutritional content of oranges. 1. Vitamin C richness. Oranges are renowned for their high vitamin C content, a crucial antioxidant supporting immune function. 2. Fiber for digestive health. The fiber in oranges aids digestion, promoting a healthy gut and preventing constipation. 3. Vitamin A contribution. Oranges contain beta-carotene, contributing to vitamin A intake and supporting eye health. 4. Potassium content. Potassium in oranges helps regulate blood pressure, supporting cardiovascular health. 5. Hydration assistance. Oranges have high water content, contributing to hydration, essential for overall well-being. 6. Natural sugars. The natural sugars in oranges provide a quick energy boost without the negative effects of added sugars. 7. Rich in antioxidants. Oranges contain various antioxidants, including flavonoids, that help combat oxidative stress. Immune-boosting benefits of oranges. 1. Vitamin C's immune powerhouse. Vitamin C stimulates the production of white blood cells, essential for a robust immune response. 2. Antioxidant defense. The antioxidants in oranges neutralize free radicals, helping to prevent cellular damage and support overall health. 3. Collagen formation. Vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis, crucial for the skin's integrity and wound healing. 4. Inflammation reduction. Oranges contain anti-inflammatory compounds that may help reduce inflammation in the body. 5. Cold and flu prevention. Regular consumption of vitamin C-rich foods, like oranges, may contribute to a lower risk of colds and flu. Incorporating oranges into your daily diet not only provides a burst of citrusy goodness but also ensures a significant intake of essential nutrients, particularly vitamin C. Whether enjoyed as a snack, in smoothies, or as part of your favorite dishes, oranges stand as a delicious ally in fortifying your immune system and promoting overall well-being. 2. Guava galore. Guava, often overlooked, is a nutritional marvel with various varieties offering a spectrum of flavors. From the sweet and fragrant pink guava to the crisp white guava, each type brings its unique taste to the table. Now, let's delve into the nutritional content of guava and explore how to seamlessly incorporate these diverse varieties into your daily diet. Guava varieties and nutritional content. 1. Pink guava. Flavor, sweet and floral. Nutritional highlights. Rich in vitamin C, dietary fiber, and antioxidants. 2. White guava. Flavor. Mild and slightly tart. Nutritional highlights. High vitamin C content, a good source of dietary fiber, and contains beneficial antioxidants. 3. Yellow guava. Flavor. Sweet and tropical. Nutritional highlights. Packed with vitamin C, dietary fiber, and essential minerals like potassium. Immune-boosting benefits of guava. 1. Vitamin C boost. Guava is a vitamin C powerhouse, crucial for immune function and collagen production. 2. Antioxidant defense. The antioxidants in guava help combat oxidative stress, supporting overall health. 3. Digestive wellness. High fiber content aids digestion, promoting a healthy gut microbiome. 4. Heart health support. Potassium in guava contributes to heart health by helping regulate blood pressure. 5. Skin radiance. Vitamin C promotes collagen synthesis, contributing to healthy and radiant skin. Incorporating guava into your daily diet not only introduces a spectrum of flavors but also ensures a diverse range of nutrients for overall well-being. Whether enjoyed fresh, blended, or as part of creative dishes, guava stands as a delicious ally in supporting your immune system and maintaining optimal health. 3. Red bell peppers, the unsung heroes. Now, let's turn our attention to the unsung heroes of the vegetable kingdom, red bell peppers. These vibrant, versatile veggies not only add a kaleidoscope of colors to your dishes but also supply your immune system with a powerhouse of nutrients, including a generous dose of vitamin C. Nutritional content of red bell peppers. 1. Vitamin C powerhouse. Red bell peppers are one of the richest sources of vitamin C, providing more per gram than most citrus fruits. 2. Vitamin A boost. Loaded with beta-carotene, red bell peppers support eye health and contribute to a healthy immune system. 3. Rich in antioxidants. A diverse range of antioxidants, including quercetin and luteolin, helps combat oxidative stress in the body. 4. Vitamin B6. Essential for brain development and function, red bell peppers contain vitamin B6, supporting cognitive health. 5. Vitamin E content. The presence of vitamin E contributes to skin health and protects cells from damage. 6. Dietary fiber. Red bell peppers are a good source of dietary fiber, aiding digestion and promoting a healthy gut. 7. Low in calories. Despite their rich nutritional profile, red bell peppers are low in calories, making them an excellent choice for weight-conscious individuals. Incorporating red bell peppers into your diet not only provides a savory addition to your meals but also ensures a substantial intake of essential nutrients, especially vitamin C. Whether consumed raw, cooked, or as part of creative recipes, red bell peppers contribute significantly to your overall well-being, supporting immune function and promoting a healthy, balanced lifestyle. 3. Kiwi, the tiny vitamin C bomb. Now, let's explore the petite yet powerful kiwi, often underestimated but packed with a nutritional punch that can significantly boost your immune system. Discover the nutritional profile and the immune-boosting benefits of this little green dynamo. Kiwi, nutritional profile. 1. Vitamin C overdrive. Kiwi is a vitamin C powerhouse, providing more per serving than many other fruits. A single kiwi can fulfill your daily vitamin C requirements. 2. Rich in dietary fiber. Kiwi is an excellent source of dietary fiber, aiding digestion and supporting a healthy gut. 3. Vitamin K content. Kiwi contains vitamin K, contributing to bone health and proper blood clotting. 4. Vitamin E contribution. The presence of vitamin E in kiwi supports skin health and acts as an antioxidant. 5. Folate for cellular function. Kiwi is rich in folate, essential for cell division and DNA synthesis. 6. Potassium for heart health. Kiwi provides potassium, contributing to heart health and maintaining blood pressure. 7. Antioxidants galore. Kiwi contains a variety of antioxidants, such as quercetin and lutein, which help combat oxidative stress. Immune-boosting benefits of kiwi. 1. Vitamin C's immune support. The high vitamin C content in kiwi stimulates the production and function of white blood cells, key players in the immune system. 2. Antioxidant defense. Kiwi's array of antioxidants helps neutralize free radicals, protecting cells from damage and supporting overall immune health. 3. Anti-inflammatory properties. Compounds in kiwi exhibit anti-inflammatory effects, potentially reducing inflammation in the body. 4. Enhanced respiratory health. Regular consumption of kiwi has been associated with a lower incidence of respiratory-related issues. 5. Improved collagen synthesis. Vitamin C in kiwi aids in collagen synthesis, promoting skin health and wound healing. 6. Gut health support. The fiber in kiwi supports digestive health, contributing to a well-functioning immune system. Incorporating kiwi into your daily diet introduces a wealth of nutrients and immune-boosting benefits. Whether enjoyed on its own, added to smoothies, or included in creative recipes, kiwi stands as a delicious and nutritious ally in fortifying your immune system and enhancing overall well-being. 4. Incorporating vitamin C into your diet. With our vitamin C arsenal identified, it's time to get creative in the kitchen. Let's explore imaginative and delicious ways to infuse these nutritional powerhouses into our daily diet and make the most of their health benefits. 1. Smoothie extravaganza. Creating a symphony of flavors with guava, red bell peppers, and kiwi. This isn't just a smoothie, it's a celebration of health in a glass. 2. Colorful salads. Say goodbye to bland salads and hello to a burst of color and nutrition. Transform your salads into a vitamin C fiesta. 3. Citrus-infused water. Hydration meets vitamin C magic in this refreshing adventure. Discover the art of citrus-infused water, a simple yet effective way to keep your immune system hydrated and happy. And there you have it, folks. A deep dive into the world of vitamin C and its incredible immune-boosting benefits. Whether you're a fan of guava, orange, red bell peppers, or kiwi, there are numerous delicious ways to incorporate this essential vitamin into your daily life. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Stay healthy, stay happy. Until next time.